Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another day in the life of Al. Today we're going to be unboxing my DJI haul thanks to our friends at Drone Point Canada, who have been kind enough to provide a special discount code that you could use at their checkout in the website if you like anything that you see over here, or if you're interested in anything else. That discount code will give you a nice little bonus. So let's start with unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3. Now, I've been looking forward to this camera for a very long time because I'm used to shooting on a large smartphone. And I think that this is such a good on-the-go powerhouse because it's very discreet and it's already bundled for the price that you pay. You do get a hard shell plastic case to cover it up if you want to put it in your bag and not get it scratched or damaged when you're walking around. And with the carrying case, you're greeted with the device itself and a bundle of accessories. So you've got an extended battery, you've got the tripod mount, you've got an extension that increases the height of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 when it's standing on the tripod. You've got a mic so you can actually start recording content right away. And after you go through the cables and the windscreens for the mic, you do get a lens adapter, so if you want to go a little bit wider, that's always an option. And you get the Osmo Pocket 3. And what I like is, as soon as you peel off that sticker and you rotate the camera, you can actually get started with recording. Granted, you have the right micro SD card, but it is a really nice device, and this is the full creative bundle right here. Next, we have the ND filter that can be paired well with the Osmo Pocket 3 when you're shooting in auto. Now, there is an option to shoot in log, but if you're just someone who wants to run and gun and shoot content very quickly, I suggest picking this up because your content in auto is going to really go to another level, especially with customizations with that ring dial, so you can adjust for exposure and highlights. Next, we have the DJI Mic Mini 2. It comes with its own case, and it does come in its base and also some other accessories like windscreens and stuff. And I've been really contemplating on using this over the Holy Land Mark IIs because I wanted a seamless system. And if I want to use it with my my mirrorless camera, I can actually do that with the transmitter that's in this base along with the two mics. And it is still very discreet. I'll probably pick up a sticker just to cover up the DJI logo so it is more discreet when I'm recording footage on the go. And yeah, it's as simple as it gets. I will be doing a small review in the near future in a short. Hope you enjoy this, and don't forget to use that discount code at checkout at Drone Point Canada. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.